This is our 3033R Yellowstone Package. This tractor is a front-wheel assist diesel tractor with a 33 horsepower engine that you can save up to $500 on this month only for our Drive Green sales event. Normally on the front of this tractor is the 300R loader with a quick park and quick change attachment carrier, a total lifting capacity of 1,000 pounds, and a good look at our R4 industrial tires. As we move toward the middle of the tractor, you'll see a 72-inch mower deck. This is the largest series of tractors that features our mid-mount PTO connection. You can also see the twin touch pedals indicating that this is an easy-to-use eHydro transmission. And lastly, our premium R features like the electric PTO switch, optional cruise control, and large two-piece seat. Moving to the back of the tractor, we have the rear PTO connection, 3-point link arms that can lift up to 2,100 pounds, the option for additional rear hydraulic couplers, and a foldable ROP system to keep you and your tractor safe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to our online salesman via call and text at 636-242-0767 or send an email to sales@snpartners.com.